Welcome to Kerala PSC Prep. Today's study notes cover Monetary Policy MPC, Repo Rate, CRR, SLR, LAF, MSF, OMO, and all RBI tools. Detailed study notes on RBI's monetary policy covering MPC composition, quantitative and qualitative tools, Repo Reverse Repo, CRR SLR, LAF, MSF, and OMO for Kerala PSC. Monetary Policy Framework. Aspect. Detail. Authority. Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Objective. Price stability, primary, growth, financial stability. Target. Inflation targeting CPI inflation at 4% plus 2%. Continuing Monetary Policy Framework. Legal basis. RBI Act 1934, amended 2016 for MPC. Frequency. MPC meets at least 4 times a year, bimonthly currently 6 meetings. 2 types. Expansionary, easy money, and contractionary, tight money. Monetary Policy Committee, MPC. Feature. Detail. Total members. 6 RBI members, 3. RBI Governor, Chairperson, Deputy Governor, Monetary Policy, 1 RBI Officer. Government nominated, 3. Appointed by Central Government on recommendation of a search committee. Continuing Monetary Policy Committee, MPC. Quorum. 4 members. Voting. Each member has 1 vote, Governor has casting vote in case of tie. Term of external members. 4 years, not eligible for reappointment. Decision. By majority vote of members present and voting. Continuing Monetary Policy Committee, MPC. Current Governor. Sanjay Malhotra, from December 2024. Quantitative, General, Tools of Monetary Policy. Aspect. Detail. Definition. Rate at which RBI lends long-term funds to commercial banks. Impact. Increase in bank rate is equal to costlier credit is equal to contractionary. Current rate. 6.75% as of April 2025, subject to change. Continuing Quantitative, General, Tools of Monetary Policy. Difference from Repo. Bank rate is for long-term, Repo rate is for short-term, overnight short period. Aspect. Detail. Definition. Rate at which RBI lends short-term money to commercial banks against government securities. Mechanism. Banks sell securities to RBI with agreement to repurchase them. Continuing Quantitative, General, Tools of Monetary Policy. Impact. Repo rate up is equal to borrowing costlier is equal to less money supply is equal to contractionary. Current rate. 6.00% as of April 2025 after 25 bps cut. Policy rate. Repo rate is the key policy rate since 2016. Aspect. Detail. Continuing Quantitative, General, Tools of Monetary Policy. Definition. Rate at which RBI borrows money from commercial banks. Mechanism. Banks park excess funds with RBI and earn interest. Impact. Reverse repo up is equal to banks prefer to park with RBI is equal to less lending is equal to contractionary. Relation. Always lower than repo rate. And 29 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. Liquidity Adjustment Facility, LAF. Component. Rate. MSF. Repo plus 25 bps. Repo. Policy rate. SDF. Repo 25 bps. Qualitative, selective, tools. Tool. Description. Margin requirements. RBI prescribes margin on loans against specific securities. Higher margin is equal to less credit. Moral suasion. RBI persuades banks through appeals, meetings, advice. Credit rationing. Fixing maximum limit of loans for specific sectors. Continuing qualitative, selective tools. Direct action. Penalties on banks not complying with RBI directives. Priority sector lending, PSL. Banks must lend 40% of adjusted net bank credit to priority sectors. Expansionary versus contractionary policy. Action. Expansionary, easy money. Repo rate. Decrease. Reverse repo SDF. Decrease. CRR. Decrease. Continuing expansionary versus contractionary policy. SLR. Decrease. OMO. Buy securities. Bank rate. Decrease. When used. Recession, low growth, deflation. Important rates at a glance, April 2025. Rate. Current value. Repo rate. 6.00%. SDF rate. 5.75%. MSF rate. 6.25%. Continuing important rates at a glance, April 2025. Bank rate. 6.25%. CRR. 4.0%. SLR. 18.0%. Key differences table, PSC favorite. Feature. CRR. Maintained as. Cash with RBI. Interest earned. No. Purpose. Control money supply. Continuing key differences table, PSC favorite. Range. No statutory upper limit. Section of RBI Act. Section 42. Feature. Repo rate. Tenure. Short term, overnight. Continuing key differences table, PSC favorite. Collateral. Government securities with repurchase agreement. Usage. Day-to-day liquidity. Policy relevance. Key policy rate. For complete notes with tables and more details, visit keralaprep.com. Take quizzes and earn mock tests. Join our Telegram channel at KeralaPrep26 for daily updates.